A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Myself, Advocate Malik Umar, BSc MA LLB. I have started a channel in my own name, Advocate Malik Umar Lectures. The purpose of the channel is to provide free online lectures to students pursuing different classes at home. I will inshallah be delivering lectures on different subjects covering different topics, especially for 10th, 11th, 12th, and graduate students in subjects like science, English, and political science. Besides this, I will inshallah be uploading lectures of different experts on different subjects from time to time. I hope you will learn and enjoy lectures that I will be uploading inshallah from time to time. As we are all aware that during this corona pandemic we are just locked within our homes, especially children who are staying home and are unable to go to school to attend classes. So I decided to provide online class to students. I will be highly thankful for you for your patient watching and listening to my lectures, and that you will appreciate my endeavor and you will give regular feedback on my lectures. I will be teaching in English, Urdu, and Kashmiri, in all the three languages, so that students may be able to understand in a better way. So without wasting any further time, let's start our lecture. And today I will be delivering my lecture in biology, class 10 CBSE, lesson first, which is life processes. Before understanding life processes, we must understand the difference between living and non-living things. Here I am drawing it on, first I will write the name of the lesson, which is life processes. Before understanding life processes, we must understand the difference between living and non-living. As all of you might have come across or read in your previous classes or gone through this topic, living and non-living things, in your previous classes. Here on the screen you can see to your right are certain things which are non-living. Sorry, to your left there are things which are non-living, and to your right there are organisms which we called living things, living organisms. What differentiates living things from living organisms, non-living things from living organisms, that is all we are to study in this lesson. And the topics we will be covering in this lesson will be introduction, what are life processes, nutrition, mode of nutrition, which is autotrophic and heterotrophic, nutrition in plants, nutrition in amoeba, nutrition in human beings, respiration in plants, respiration in human beings, transportation in plants, transportation in human beings, excretion in plants, and excretion in human beings. These are the topics which we will be covering in this lesson. But today I will just start with introduction, and our whole introduction will revolve around the difference between living and non-living organisms. You know, the fan, the violin, and other things which you are seeing, which you can see to the left of the screen, they are all non-living objects. How can we say they are non-living? Because they do not grow, they do not show movement, they don't breathe, and they don't show any other process by which we can say that they are living. On the other hand, to your right, these are the organisms which do show all these characteristics. So it is quite easy to recognize and to distinguish objects with life and those without it. So we have understood that living beings possess certain characteristics which non-living beings do not possess. Living beings possess certain characteristics like they have definite shape and size, they grow, they show reproduction, they show metabolism, they have definite life cycle, they show movements, and they have a particular cellular structure. These are all the characteristics in living organisms which distinguish them from. So this was just an introduction to the topic life processes. Inshallah, we will be covering the topic in detail, in which we will be discussing nutrition in plants and in human beings. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu